Early on the morning of August 27th, Hurricane Laura's impacts were felt on the Louisiana College campus as it brought 100-mile-per-hour plus winds to the central Louisiana region. The hurricane made landfall in rural Cameron Parish as a strong Category 4 hurricane. Although the Alexandria-Pineville area were spared the storm's worst impacts to the west, damages to the community were extensive. For Louisiana College students who were unable to evacuate, they had to endure the challenges brought about by the severe weather. I spoke with Tudor Hall's resident director, Taylor Antley, about the experience and challenges of ensuring the safety of the residents that stayed behind.
Due to the hurricane, we had some electrical problems. Our AC system malfunctioned, causing it to smoke a lot, and our fire alarm system going off. So once that happened, we had to evacuate the building, and due to the rain and weather and everything, we had to evacuate to the student center, which was a struggle, but we got it done.
The aftermath of Laura left Louisiana College along with the rest of Cenla without electricity or running water for several days. Multiple large trees were downed on the Louisiana College campus, which forced the school into an arduous cleanup process. In addition to the campus, many students and faculty were faced with damages back home as well, and as a result, accommodations were made. Louisiana College's coordinator of student behavior and accountability, Brian Manuel, shared how Louisiana College offered assistance to his family while they were without power.
We returned home with no power, and news kept saying it's going to be a week, it's going to be 2 weeks, and then we got the official word that it could be up to 6 weeks before power was going to be restored at our home. And so we didn't really know what we were going to do. We had a generator, we purchased another one, but buying gas for your generator gets quite expensive. And so Dr. Brewer, actually from Louisiana College, heard that we were in kind of a tough pickle there, and he said, "Brian, why don't you bring your family up here? I could use you on campus, and just to kind of watch over students and to help with things here." So my family and I relocated to the married student housing for a week, and it was a blessing. We were able to come here and have air conditioner and lights, and we were expecting to be here for a little bit longer than we actually were. Come to find out, the line of electricity that passes our house goes to a water well that supplies water to the community. So the electricians restored the power to that line first to make sure that everyone would have water. And our house was actually re-energized about 7 or 8 days after we got home. So about 2 weeks without power.
Many students as well, particularly those in the southwest portion of the state, also faced the struggle of continuing forward with the semester without electricity back home. Although many Louisiana communities look different in Hurricane Laura's wake, though, Louisiana College and its student body is showing resiliency in the face of tragedy. For Wildcats Media, I'm Joel Thompson.